Suppose f of x equals 8 times x minus 5 raised to 2 over 3. Note that this is the same as 8 times the cube root of x minus 5 squared. And because of that, x can be any real number. That means its domain is the set of all real numbers from negative infinity to infinity. Now we will need this domain later for the intervals of increase and decrease. Now the problem is asking for the value of the critical number. So from here, we're going to take the derivative of the function. Now f prime of x is equal to 8 times 2 over 3 times x minus 5 raised to 2/3 minus 1. That's equal to 16 over 3 times x minus 5 raised to negative 1 over 3, which is the same as